Hi, Ruma.
Hey, Fiona.
Hi. So what does cash out or equity release mean?
Okay, I'm actually just preparing the board for that. So, now in lending, what is equity release or cash out? Yeah, that's your
Yeah.
question. Okay. So, let's say you've got a property which is worth $100. And I always give an example of 100 because it's easier to understand. And please stop me if you guys have any questions, okay? So let's say the property which you're taking it to the bank, it's worth $100, and your loan at this point in time is say $50. Okay. Now, can you tell me without LMI how much max can we borrow from the bank without LMI, no lender's mortgage insurance fee? Maximum
up to 80%.
80%, brilliant. So bank says that okay, you've got your property worth 100 and your loan is 50%,
Yep.
and you can borrow 80 depending upon, of course, their borrowing capacity should be right and all that. So depending upon that, so 80 minus 50 is how much?
30.
30. Yeah? Okay. So what is that? What is that, Fiona?
It's your cash out.
It's your cash out. Because if you can borrow $80, yeah?
Yep.
And your loan is right now 50, so what's the gap?
30.
30. So that you can release from the bank as part of your equity. That's your equity. So that is called cash out.
Okay.
Now, saying that, different banks have different policies for cash out. Some banks say, oh, if you're doing, like what exactly you're going to do with the cash out? We're not just going to hand out the money. So whenever you do a cash out loan, always find out which bank you're going with and what is their policy. Okay, so because there are banks who say, oh, okay, if you need $30, and I'm just saying $30, I mean, normally people have, 50,000, more than 50,000. If it's below 50,000, banks don't ask too many questions. If it's above 50,000, the banks may ask for renovations cost. If we say, we're going to get it for renovations, for example. If we say we need for travel, for car, for, other things, let's say up to 50, then the banks don't need any proof. Again, it depends on the bank. So bank's not going to hand out the money like that.
No.
You always have to find out what is the renovation, what is the cash out for. So you have to send them the proof. Yeah? Any
Yep.
questions on that? Is it
Nope.
clear?
Yep.
Yeah? Any?
Yes.
Mhm.
Oh, it's
Mhm.
no, it's very clear there too. And
Yeah.
and when you think of the whole message behind responsible lending,
Mhm.
just because somebody's got the capacity to be able to go and sort of borrow like that,
Yeah.
doesn't mean that you should necessarily indulge that wish.
Exactly. Exactly. That's a very good way of putting it, because sometimes, especially after GFC, banks became very very sort of cautious about people getting money from their properties and what are they going to use it for. That's the main thing they want to know. So you can't just take the cash and use it somewhere. You have to show to the bank what is this for. That's called responsible lending. Yeah. Any
Yep.
questions?
No.
It's all clear, straightforward. Can I ask you questions tomorrow on that? Yeah, because I want to know if you're paying attention
Yeah.
or not, yeah? Alright, okay, that's it. That's about it.
Okay, thanks.
Great.